In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Google account without phone number. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open Gmail. At the top right corner, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it and then click on this add another account option. Select Google. Enter your phone's password. Click on create account and select for myself. Now enter your name. Click on next. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender and then click on next. Select create your own Gmail address. Now what you need to do is to download this application from the Play Store. I'll also put the download link in the description below. And once you have downloaded the application, click on open. Click on the first option which says create an address automatically. Okay, the email address has been created, so click on copy email address. And once again go back to Gmail and paste the new email address here. Remove everything after the @ option. So this is your new email address. Click on next. Now enter your password. Again click on next. Now it's asking you to add phone number, so click on skip. And that's it, your account has been created. In this way you can create unlimited accounts and you can use these accounts to promote your YouTube channel, or you can provide paid subscribers to someone else. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.